Problems on simple harmonic motion. First example, see, the position of a particle moving in a straight line is given by x equal to a cos nt plus b sin nt. Prove that it executes SHM of period twice pi by n and amplitude under root a square plus b square. So the position of a particle is given by at time t is given by x equal to this. Now दो बार इसको डिफ्रेंशिएट करना है. रिजल्ट आ रहा है डी स्क्वायर एक्स बाई डी टी स्क्वायर इक्वल टू माइनस ईटा स्क्वायर और माइनस एन स्क्वायर एक्स. द इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन इज डी स्क्वायर एक्स बाई डी टी स्क्वायर इक्वल टू माइनस एन स्क्वायर एक्स, which represents the SHM. Time period is given by twice pi under root mu. Compare this. So mu is here n square. So time period is twice pi by n. Now if we substitute a equal to a cos theta, b equal to a sin theta in number 1. So we get x equal to a cos theta cos nt plus a sin theta sin nt, that is a cos nt minus theta. This shows that a is the amplitude of the motion and clearly it is given by a equal to under root of a square plus b square. The next problem. A particle is moving with SHM and while making an excursion from one position of rest to another, its distance from the middle point of the path at 3 consecutive seconds are observed to be x1, x2 and x3. Prove that the time of complete oscillation is this. So let A and A dash, they are the positions of rest. Here it is A, this point is A dash, they are the position of rest, and O be the point such that OA and OA dash equal to A. Suppose that x1, x2, x3, they are the positions of particle at 3 consecutive seconds, t plus 1 and t plus 2 respectively. So by the previous result, we can write x1 a cos omega t, x2 a cos omega t plus 1, x3 a cos omega t plus 2. Now let us find x1 plus x3. It is x1 here, it is x3, a common cos c plus cos t का फार्मूला पूरा सिंप्लीफाई करोगे, रिजल्ट आएगा ट्वाइस x2 cos ओमेगा. सो cos ओमेगा ये आ जाएगा, ओमेगा विल बी इक्वल टू दिस टाइम पीरियड t twice pi by omega. So we can get the required result. Then next, so that the particle executing SHM requires 1/6 of its period to move from the position of maximum displacement to one in which the displacement is half the amplitude. The equation of motion of the particle performing SHM is number 1. Time period is given by this formula. Also we know this condition, this is relation between v and x. So that implies, but v means dx by dt. So dx by dt equal to this, negative sign indicates particle is moving towards center. Now just cross multiply, we get dt equal to minus dx upon under root mu under root a square minus x square. Let t1 be the time taken by the particle in moving from the position of maximum displacement a to the position where the displacement is half of the amplitude, that is a by 2. So on integrating 4 over t equal to 0 to t equal to t1 and x equal to a to x equal to a by 2. So we get integral this equal to this. So it is t1 minus 1 by under mu. इसका इंटीग्रल हो गया साइन इनवर्स एक्स बाय, लिमिट सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है, अपर लिमिट माइनस लोअर लिमिट, विल गेट साइन इनवर्स 1 by 2 minus साइन इनवर्स 1, दैट इज पाई बाय 6 minus पाई बाय 2. पूरा सिंप्लीफाई करोगे, रिजल्ट आएगा पाई बाय 3 रूट म्यू. सो दैट इज 1 by 6 twice पाई बाय अंडर रूट म्यू, that is 1 by 6 times t. That is the time taken by the particle in moving from the position of maximum displacement to the position where displacement is half of the amplitude is 1 by 6th of, clearly 1 by 6th of its period. Now next, the speed v of the point P which moves in a line is given by this relation, where x is the distance of any point P from a fixed point on the path. A, B and C are constant. We have to prove motion is simple harmonic if C is positive. So now it is V Differentiate this with respect to t. It is twice v dv by dt. A is constant, twice vx, that is twice b, minus c, twice c, x. We have differentiated this number 1 with respect to x, not with respect to t. Here it should be x. So it is v dv by dx equal to b minus cx. But v dv by dx can be written as d square x by dt square. It is b minus cx. Let us take minus c common. Now let us suppose that this x minus b by c, it is y. So अगर इसको दो बार डेरिवेटिव निकालते हैं तो डी स्क्वायर एक्स बाई डी टी स्क्वायर इक्वल टू डी स्क्वायर वाई बाई डी टी स्क्वायर. तो नंबर 2 कैन बी रिटर्न एज डी स्क्वायर वाई बाई डी टी स्क्वायर इक्वल टू माइनस सी वाई. So which is differential equation of simple harmonic motion. But ये तभी पॉसिबल है when c is positive, क्योंकि c अगर निगेटिव लेंगे तो ये निगेटिव निगेटिव पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा. तो c must be positive. Actually it is given in condition. Now time period t, twice pi, it is given twice pi by under root c. It is our time period. Now next example, a particle oscillates with SHM of amplitude A, periodic time t. Find the expression for the velocity v in terms of this, number 2, and also we have to prove this result. So it is equation of SHM. It is relation between v and x and t. It is time period. From number 3, mu equal to this. Now substitute value mu, v square equal to this. So it is an expression for velocity in terms of a, t and x. Now number 2, from 1 and 2, v square equal to mu times this. So on simplifying, we get v square equal to, but 1 minus cos square theta, that is sin square theta. The result ये आ जाएगा on putting mu equal to this. So it is an expression for velocity in terms of a, t and small t. And third part, last part, integral of v square dt, that is integral of substitute here value of v square. Here we can take twice a square pi square by t square common, twice sin square twice pi t by t dt, twice sin square theta, it is 1 minus cos 2 theta. Now integral of 1, it is t, cos t का integral हो गया sin t by 4 pi by t, that is t by 4 pi. Limit substitute करना है, upper limit minus lower limit. On simplifying, sin 4 pi, it is 0 here. So it is twice a square pi square by t square multiplied by t. That is twice a square pi square by t. So it completes our simple harmonic motion. So let me stop here.